Every real estate agent loses leads because they can't reply fast enough. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build your own AI agent that answers and qualifies leads for you. No code, no expensive tools, nothing to install. If you can write an email, you can build this. Let's do it live. So what actually is an AI agent? Forget the tech buzzwords. An AI agent is just an AI you gave fixed instructions to. So it does one job, the same way, every single time, 24/7. Think of it like hiring a new assistant, training them once with your exact script, and then they handle it forever while you sleep. That's all this is. You are not writing code. You are writing instructions, in plain English. If you can send an email, you can build this. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and look for Create a GPT in the left sidebar. Or if you're using Claude, open a new project. Either one works perfectly. Use whichever you're already on. Once you're in, give it a name, Lead Qualifier Assistant. That's your agent's identity. In ChatGPT, you'll see a simple setup page. Just fill in the name and a short description. In Claude, add a name to your project and a set of instructions. No code, no dashboard, no tech skills required, just typing. And here's the part most people don't realize. This is completely free, or already included in whatever plan you're on. You don't need a new subscription. You don't need to connect anything. You're already set up. Next step is where the real power is. Step 2, the instructions. This is the heart of your agent. This single block of text is what turns a blank AI into your personal lead qualifier. Here's exactly what I use. Copy this. You are a friendly, professional real estate lead assistant. When a new lead messages me, 1. Reply warmly and professionally. 2. Ask 3 key qualifying questions. What is your budget? What is your timeline to buy? And are you pre-approved for financing? 3. Stay helpful and never pushy. 4. End by offering to book a call. Keep all replies short and easy to read on a phone. 4 instructions. That's the entire system. The first one sets the tone. The second is your qualification engine: budget, timeline, and financing. The third keeps you professional. The fourth moves the lead toward a conversation with you, and you can customize it completely. Change the questions to match your market, add your name, make it yours. One more thing before we move on. If you can see where this is going, subscribe. Every week I build these systems for real estate agents, step by step. Here's what happens when your first lead comes in. They send a message. Hi, is the house on Main Street still available? Your agent picks it up immediately. It responds, Hi there, thanks so much for reaching out. I'd love to help. To point you in the right direction, can I ask, what price range are you working with? And are you looking to move in the next few months? Or are you still early in the search? Lead replies. Agent follows up, naturally, warmly, asking about financing. Within a few messages, you have their budget, their timeline, and their pre-approval status, without touching your phone. And this is happening at 2 in the morning while you're asleep. It's happening while you're in a showing. It's happening on a Sunday. Every lead gets the same professional first response, every time. The qualifying questions get asked, every time. You get the information you need to decide how to follow up, every time. 2 quick mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, vague instructions. Don't just say, be friendly. Tell the agent exactly how to open, exactly what to ask, and in what order. The more specific, the better the agent. Mistake 2, forgetting the human close. This agent handles first contact, you close. Review any conversation before following up on a hot lead. That's the system. Built in minutes, working 24/7. Subscribe for the full AI Systems series. Every week, a new agent, a new workflow, step by step. And comment below, what task should my next agent handle? Grab the free prompt pack in the description. Everything you need to build this today is right there.